물론입니다. 물론입니다. What does this phrase mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letter is MULLON, because today, on One Korean Word Today here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word MULLON. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 272. 물론. 물론. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is mul, second syllable is lon. Pronounce it with me. 물론. 물론. The word 물론 is used to say, of course. Again, 물론 is used to say, of course. This is also used to express that you are sure of something. Again, it's 물론. Now, how do we write 물론 in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is mul, and this is written by drawing first a miyam character, followed by an u character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable lon, we need to draw first a real character, followed by an o character, followed by a nian character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word 물론. And that is how we write 물론 in Hangul. Now, let's try to look at this example English phrase. It says, of course it is. Again, of course it is. The Korean translation of this is 물론입니다. Again, it's 물론입니다. This example sentence could be divided into two, 물론 and 입니다. 물론 is our word for today, and as mentioned, it is used to say of course. Or, this is also used to say or express that you are sure about something. And then the second part is 입니다. This is a formal way of saying it is, or declaring that it is. So when we say 물론입니다, it's the same as saying, of course it is, or I'm sure it is. This example phrase is more likely used to respond to a question asking you whether you are sure or not about something. For example, you are asked whether you are sure or not that a food is delicious. So you can use this phrase if you are sure that the food is delicious. So you can say, 물론입니다. This is more of expressing that you are sure about what you've said. So again, 물론입니다 means of course it is, and 물론 is our word for today. So if you'd remember, this is flashed at the beginning of our video. And as of now, we already know the meaning of this phrase written on this slide, which is 물론입니다. And we already know that it means, of course it is. So with that, you've just learned 물론. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 262 to 271. But don't forget our word for today, word number 272, 물론, which means sure or of course. Word number 271 is 없다, which means to not exist or to not have. Word number 270 is 맛있어. This is used to say there is taste or delicious in an informal manner. Word number 269 is 해요, which means do. Word number 268 is 봐요, which means see. Word number 267 is 먹어요, which means eat. Word number 266 is 가요, which means go. Word number 265 is 여동생, which means younger sister. Word number 264 is 남동생, which means younger brother. Word number 263 is 맛없어요, which is used to say not tasty or not delicious. Word number 262 is 맛있습니다. This is used to say delicious in a formal manner. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.